Hello students, today we will be looking at the General Adaptation Syndrome. What happens to the body when stress is prolonged? Hans Selye, the father of modern stress research, studied this issue by subjecting animals to a variety of stressors such as high temperature, X-rays, and insulin injections in the laboratory over a long period of time. He also observed patients with various injuries and illnesses in hospitals. Selye noticed a similar pattern of bodily response in all of them. He called this pattern the General Adaptation Syndrome, or the GAS. According to him, GAS involves three stages: alarm reaction, resistance, and exhaustion. Stage 1, alarm reaction stage. The presence of a nauseous stimulus or stressor leads to activation of the adrenal pituitary cortex system. This triggers the release of hormones producing the stress response. Now, the individual is ready for fight or flight. Stage 2, resistance stage. If stress is prolonged, the resistance stage begins. The parasympathetic nervous system calls for more cautious use of the body's resources. The organism makes efforts to cope with the threat as through confrontation. Stage 3, exhaustion stage. Continued exposure to the same stressor or additional stressors drains the body of its resources and leads to the third stage of exhaustion. The physiological systems involved in alarm reaction and resistance stages become ineffective, and susceptibility to stress-related diseases such as high blood pressure becomes more likely. Selye's model has been criticized for assigning a very limited role to psychological factors in stress. Researchers have reported that the psychological appraisal of events is important for the determination of stress. How people respond to stress is substantially influenced by their perceptions, personalities, and biological constitutions. Read carefully, understand, and then study. Happy studying.